How to change content on TikTok feed. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Then simply open up TikTok on a device. Now the first method is simply find the video you don't like, then tap on share and click on not interested. Now the second method you can follow is simply go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down. Now tap on free up space. Now tap on clear cache. Again tap on clear. Then simply go back. Now scroll up. Now go to activity center. Then tap on watch history. Now tap on select at the top right corner. Then tap on select all watch history. Now tap on delete. Again tap on delete. Now this will delete the content preferences. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.